The content provided is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial, investments, or legal advice. Cryptocurrency, trading, and investing carry significant risks. Always perform your own research DYOR and seek advice from a licensed financial professional before making any financial decisions. I am not a licensed financial advisor, and the opinions shared here are personal and not meant to guide any financial actions.
Hi guys! Welcome back again dito sa Cryptonautics. So in this video guys, we are going to talk about these Dante Games. So ano nga ba yung mga services na ino-offer nitong si Dante Games, no? Okay, isa na dito yung gaming AI agents. So Games Universe, high quality gaming, AI powered, blockchain, sustainable, economy, and then itong seamless interoperability, NFT marketplace, esports platform siya guys, no? Okay, so makikita natin dito sa mismong home nila, yung mga partnership nila guys, no? Ito yung mga sikat na partnership guys, no? Nitong project na to. So welcome to Dante Universe. So si Dante nga pala guys ay isang AI powered, no? Makikita naman natin dito sa home nila guys. And then nagde-deliver siya ng mga high quality games, advanced AI gaming agents. Okay, so yung nakalagay dito, no? Yan, the AI agents and tools guys. So napakasimple lang nitong games na to guys. Katulad nitong Hellmaster guys, Fantasy TCG with RGP element. Okay? So ito, kailangan lang natin dito guys mag-build ng powerful deck natin, no? Ito, mga deck yan guys, okay? So and then i-outsmart lang natin yung mga kalaban natin or opponents dito, no? So utakan lang natin sila guys sa pagbi-build ng magandang mythological hero sa pamamagitan ng mga deck natin guys, no? Okay? And then, para siyang, guys, Yu-Gi-Oh! Kung alam niyo yan, no? Para siyang ganun, guys. Kailangan lang natin i-outsmart yung mga opponents natin dito. Dito kay Dante Games. Okay, Hellmaster, The Legend of Dante, no? And then, ito yung Eternal Fighters, coming soon yan, no? And then, ito yung Infernal Bastions, coming soon din. Okay? Search Sports, compete with win and dominate. Okay. So, Trade and Evolve. Yan. Ito yung circular economy. Dante tokens guys. So, tournaments and battles. Diyan yung mapoproduce natin yung mga tokens guys, no? So, get access to special event with guaranteed rewards. So, own your legend. Yan. Ito yung mga paggagamitan natin and then yung pwede natin tayo makakuha ng tokens, no? Dito sa tournaments and battles, own your legend and then buy back and burn guys. So, ibig sabihin guys, meron sila ditong burning mechanism, no? Para ma-sustain yung economy nitong si Dante Games guys. Okay? Yung Dante tokens nila, no? Para ma-sustain yung value. Okay. So staking with APY for holders and earn rewards within the economy and NFTs, keys, charge, access to exclusive tournaments, etc. guys. So ito yung roadmap nila, no? So Q1 ito yung completed na nila, yung Hellmaster Open Beta Season 2 and 3. Sa Hellmaster Service Improvement, yan, na-complete na nila yung mga bossing, no? Ito yung Q2 2025, in progress pa lang itong mga to. Itong beta, staking, vesting platform, immutable, passport integration, game launch, and ultra.io, no? Sa yung Q3 2025, ito naman yung upcoming na plant nila dito, no? Ito yung big marketing campaign, sale, of NFTs collection, web app, beta, TGE. Right? So, ito yung backers and partners nila. Itong Immutable, yan, si Polygon Labs, yun. Alam naman natin yan mga boss, na itong mga backers and partners nila is mga sikat, no? Lalo na itong si Mexi guys, no? Lagi ko narinig yan sa mga trader natin, okay? So, yung team nila guys, yan. Kagandahan dito, nakikita natin yung kanilang yung pagmumukha, no? Nitong mga team natin guys, dito kay Dante Games, okay? So, hindi ka katulad ng mga ibang project guys, no? So, our team work with Binance. Okay? Collaboration pala sila ni Binance, no? Yan. And then, Ambassador Program, View Info. So, tingnan natin dito mga boss yung docs nila, no? Yung documents. So, lagi natin titingnan yan, boss, para malaman natin kung may potential ba yung project, no? So, panoorin natin to mga boss, kung ano nga ba. Okay. So, ganito siya, no? HD natin, mga boss. So, combine the demons, 15 heroes. Yan. Mismong trailer nitong games na to, no? So, level up and upgrade your heroes. Select. So, makikita natin dito yung mismong gameplay, no? Yan. Use the power of the D-test. Makikita natin yung mga power ng ating mga deck. Yan, kung ano mga kagandahan dito mga boss, yung animation nila dito sa gameplay is talagang pinag-effortan nila, no? Maganda yung animation, guys. Okay? So, free to play siya and then when to earn. Yan guys, napaka-simple. So yun, alam na natin guys na siya ay free to play. So pwede natin siya malaro ng libre lang. And then pag nanalo tayo is makaka-earn pa tayo. So learn to play. So welcome to Hellmaster. So mismong Hellmaster yung pangalan ng laro, no? Guys. Dito muna tayo sa game modes. Hellmaster, you find 3 main game modes, and for training mode, if you're not familiar with them yet, I invite you to start with the first one, adventure mode. Alright? Kailangan muna, mas maganda kung ikaw ibaguhan pala dito is adventure muna talaga tayo, no? So mag-earn tayo ng sides dito sa adventure, then may battle arena din, no? Ito yung next naman guys, battle arena. Okay, so earn sides din siya. So Dante tokens before joining the matches, so you will need to exchange them for your Dante tokens. Okay, so pwede natin gamitin yung Dante tokens natin para makasali sa mga every matches, no? Right. Hellmaster Arena, the keys. Training mode, meron din sila dito. Okay? Then choosing the hero. Yan. So vector objectives, yan. So alam naman natin guys, may mga rarities itong heroes na to. Pag mga gantong laban talaga na mga gameplay na deck ang ginagamit, no? So, win all of your opponent's gems. Okay, pwede natin makuha yung gems ng ating opponents guys, no? Kapag napanalo na natin. So, the opponent's hero which is 0 health points. Okay? Yan yung opponent's hero. Then, how to earn gems. So, gems guys. So, card combination in Hellmaster. Okay. Ito yung below in the ranking of combinations in Hellmaster ordered from best to worst. So, Royal Falls, the strongest combination. Elemental Falls, 5 consecutive cards of the same element. So, yung 4 Horsemen, Family, Elemental Falls, Trinity, Double Twins, Twins, Lonely. Itong Lonely is yung highest card guys, no? Okay. So, game turns and Obolus. Yan. Guys, yung rounds. Tingnan natin to. Ito, each player receives 2 cards in his hand. Okay, so pinapakita dito guys kung paano laruin itong si Hellmaster, no? Dito kay Dante Games guys. Ito, learn to play. May kita naman natin yan guys, may guide sila dito, no? Ito yung game modes sila, and then season and rewards, dito tayo. So, Ruby League, the 3% of players with the most points. Emerald League, the next 15%, Gold League, the next 20%, Silver League, the next 25%. Sa Bronze League, the remaining 30% of the player. So, the end of season's rewards depend on your league and position. Okay? So, ibig sabihin guys nito, may ranking sila dito na kung saan kung mas mataas yung ranking mo or possible na mas malaki yung rewards na matatanggap mo, no? Okay? So, kung ikaw yung nasa Ruby League, so 3% of players with the most points, guys. Yan. So, yung cards, ito yung heroes, yan. Warriors, may rangers sila dito, paladins, wizard, bards. Ito yung types of heroes nila dito. Pwede tayo gumamit ng warriors, rangers, ito yung mga long range, no? Okay? Ito yung naman parang mga tank, guys. Yung mga nasa front fighter natin yan, guys. Itong paladins, guys, parang ito yung fighter mismo, no? Yung wizard, guys, yan. Magic ang ginagamit nito. Yung bards, yan. I think itong bards siguro is support, no? Maybe, I think lang, guys. So, yung abilities nila. So, Hector, swap a demon from your hand. May kita natin dito. Yung Hachilis, remove one of the demons from the board. Atalanta, remove one of the demons from the board with 90% success. So, Aeneas, okay, versus, itong mga pangalan na to guys is galing sa Greek mythology, no? Kung mapapansin nyo guys, itong si Odysseus, si Perseus, guys, yan. So, inspired siya sa Greek mythology, itong larong to, no? Classes. Ito, Warrior and then Ranger, and then Paladin Wizard, attributes nila. So, may strength, no? And then, dexterity. Ito yung increase the hero's defense. Ito yung ginagamit natin terms, guys. Dexterity. Sa speed, increase the hero's initiative, plus 1% extra turn bonus for every 2% speed, guys. Okay? Sa intelligence, increase the hero's mana points. So, kakailangan din pala natin ng mana, no? So, para siyang energy, guys. So, willpower, increase the hero's moral points. So, ibig sabihin itong moral points, I think ito yung pwedeng or possible mag-critical yung bawat attack natin, no? Kapag may willpower o mas mataas yung willpower natin doon sa ating deck or heroes. So, constitution, increase the hero's health points. Okay? So, statistics, increase the damage the hero deals. So, defense, initiative, ganun din, guys, no? The level progression. So, each hero can progress up to level 100. So, ito siguro yung maximum level, no? Kada heroes, guys, 100. So, as he plays matches, he gains experience or XP kung tawagin. Okay? So, kailangan lang natin maglaro ng maglaro. Every matches, guys, is maka-gains ng experience or XP ang ating mga heroes dito, no? And then, doon, pwede tayo mag-level up sa combat. Ito, kailangan natin i-outsmarts lang yung ating mga opponents dito. Ganun lang ang simple itong larong to. So, syempre, mas may advantage ka o mataas yung advantage mo kung maganda yung deck mo dito, no? Kung malakas talaga, guys. So, hindi lang outsmart yung kailangan natin dito. Kailangan maganda din yung deck natin, no? At yung mga positioning kung tawagin, guys, kailangan maganda. Rarities, mythical, okay? Ito yung rarities na sinasabi ko nga kanina. Pag mythical, mas mataas, guys. Plus 3, plus 2, plus 3, and plus 2 health. So, yung common nila dito is yan. Plus 1 lang siya lahat, no? Ibig sabihin ng pinamataas na dito is itong mythical. So, search for victory. So, kapag mas mataas o mas rare yung iyong hero, ay mas malaki yung binibigay na shards for victory, no? So, itong mythical, mayroon siyang plus 500 victory, guys. Yan ang makukuha natin na shards for victory. So, spell. Okay. So, may spell sila dito. Tinatawag na Godwin Pack. Paradise of Milton. Yan. Convert 2 of your moral points into 1 mana points. Does not require mana. Okay. So, kailangan talaga natin dito ng i-outsmart yung ating mga opponents. Pag ginagamitan natin ng spells, kailangan talagang swak yung paggamit natin ng spells dito, no? Talagang makakatulong para mas magkaroon tayo ng advantage doon sa opponents natin. Spellbook. When a hero reaches level 3, he or she is rewarded with a personal spellbook in which he can write down up to a maximum of 8 known spells. Levels, yan. Rarities, and then ito. May pet din pala dito, mga bossing. So, may common, uncommon, rare, and then epic, legendary, and mythical. Okay, so anong ginagawa nitong pet na to? So, you can choose a pet from the 24 available to accompany you in your games. Okay, so siya yung nag-accompany sa atin, no, sa bawat laro, guys. Itong pet na to. So, I think itong mga pet na to is makakatulong din sa atin, guys, no? Kaya nilagay nila yan kasi may tulong din yan sa ating mga heroes. Hindi lang basta design lang yan or palamuti, no? Dito naman tayo sa statistics. Ayun, mayon nga siya, guys, na statistics. Yung attack, pwedeng mag-increase yung damage the pet deals, and then in defense, may pet ability to resist attacks, initiative, and health. Ganun din, guys, no? May rarities din siya, siyempre. Mas mataas yung wear, mas mataas yung bigay, no? Dito sa mythical, mas mataas yung HP niya. Compare dito sa common, guys. And then, yung marketplace, guys, soon yan. Pag na-official release na tong si Hellmaster, guys, agad-agad na magkaka-marketplace yan. Kung saan, guys, pwede tayo mag-trade, pwede tayo mag-buy and sell doon, no? Okay? At pwede din natin gamitin yung mismong currency dito, no? Yung currency tokens dito, o yung main currency, na which is yung Dante tokens nga, no? Okay, so kung may katanungan kayo, pwede nyo bisitahin nyo ng Telegram, Twitter, yan, kung gusto nyo malaman yung mga updates na gagawin nila dito soon, yan. So yun guys, inaasahan ko na baka gawan natin to ng part 2. So hanggang dito na lang muna guys, no? So hintayin natin makilis muna itong Hellmaster na tinatawag dito kay Dante Games guys. Okay, yung official release. Kasi pwede na natin tong malaro guys dito sa Google Play, no? Yan, no? Yan, pwede na yan guys para malaman natin. So siya ay, may kita naman natin dito sa kanyang roadmap. Okay, ito yung completed. Hellmaster Open Beta Season 2 and 3. Meron na siya guys. Kaya pwede natin siyang malaro, no? At matry natin. So yung marketplace nga lang nila is coming soon pa yan, no? Pero pwede natin itong malaro, itong si Dante Games. Okay. So hanggang dito na lang. Salamat sa panonood guys.